Today I'm working on a 2003 Volkswagen Beetle. Just showing you a real common problem you find on a lot of these, even like a Mk4 two-door Volkswagen. The seats that have this style mechanism where you lift up on this to slide the seat forward and backwards. Pretty much all of these Volkswagens have the same setup. Well, the customer's complaint is the seat won't lock into position. It only goes all the way back, and it doesn't lock when you pull that lever. So you can just take the seat and slide it forward and backwards. And you know, it was when they had it all the way back, obviously their feet couldn't touch, so they took wood blocks and cut them up and put them behind there and things like that to try to make it drivable. It happens all the time, see it all the time, very common. All it is you get underneath the front of the seat, you can see this cable. That cable connects directly to the lever right here, and it pulls a pin. The pin goes into a bunch of holes. On this rail here, and the pin just kind of gets seized back, and it doesn't pop forward anymore into the holes. So all you want to do is pretty much spray this whole mechanism with penetrating oil, and then play with this lever, and it works every time. Spray this down with some penetrating oil, whatever you have. WD-40 is fine, liquid wrench, whatever, and then play with this until the pin starts moving like it should, and then you'll be good. It's good to just kind of do that every once in a while on these. Those pins have a tendency to get stuck back, and then it'll take care of your problem. So yeah, see this pretty often. You know, we see less of these cars on the road than we used to, but yeah, this was just something that would happen. So if your seat's not locking into different positions, get under there, spray that mechanism, play with that handle a little bit, and it should take care of your problem. So thanks for watching.